We are pleased to show you the 2017 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control system, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, running boards, speed control. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar communication system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.